Welcome back, everybody. It's National Griddle Week, and I am super excited. We have a fun one for you today, but before we get into it, a huge giveaway with mission, as in the tortillas I'm using today. The giveaway is today, as in you need to get over to Blackstone's Facebook and Instagram and enter it today, right after you watch the video. But let's jump into it. Banzai Pipeline Tacos. They're so good. It's a tried and a true classic. Banzai Pipeline Tacos.
Let's give it a try.
First things first, Blackstone Griddle on high heat, avocado oil. I love that avocado oil. I like to use paper towels, rub a very thin layer in before and after each cook. That helps to maintain that beautiful seasoning of the griddle. Just be careful, it's a hot griddle top. You can use tongs or heat resistant gloves. 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast. And check out this little platter of goodness. Red bell pepper, jalapeno, red onion. I mean, color contrast and vibrant. Look at that. Blackstone pineapple sriracha. Perfect when you're doing a Banzai Pipeline taco. You might need a little more oil in your veggies, and it's time to get to work. Get those sizzling. Look at that. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Check out that chicken, 45 seconds, and we already have a sear. Oh man, this is a recipe that is fun to make and taste amazing. Check this out, Blackstone's brand new Mandarin Teriyaki Sauce. That's right. Teaser coming really soon from Blackstone. These. Ooh, my goodness. Stay tuned. Down with that beautiful Mandarin Teriyaki Sauce. Mix them up. Down with some crushed pineapple with the juice. Just gonna try to warm that up, and that'll take a few seconds. That looks amazing. You can see that Mandarin Teriyaki Sauce just glistening. And I mentioned Mission tortillas earlier, a big giveaway today only, as in you're watching this video today, the first day, Thursday, I think. There's a big giveaway. When you're done watching here, you want to go over to Blackstone's Facebook, Instagram, etc. A huge giveaway with Mission. A little bit of oil down on the griddle top. I like to make my tortillas pliable. I like to get good color, a little bit of oil in there, but we don't want these to be crunchy or crispy. So down on the griddle top for a few minutes. Again, be really careful with your fingers. Check it out. That gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous teriyaki chicken. We might flip these a few times. I think we're looking good. That one's already starting to puff up. Look at that. So I think we're ready. Just a few minutes, a few flips, and I think our tortillas are ready to go. I would dare call this recipe a fusion recipe, because we're going to take the flavors of Polynesia, of the South Pacific, pineapple, teriyaki, and stir fry, but we're going to make them into a taco. So it's Fusion Todd today. I think the pineapple is ready. The meat and the veggies ready. Come down here, we'll turn these burners off. Fresh chopped cilantro should be perfect finishing touch. Cilantro, not just for Mexican and Southwestern food. Blackstone taco rack. This thing is really nice for showing off your tacos. These things look killer. What a beautiful color. See, that's what I'm talking about. They're soft and they're pliable, but there's oil in there, seasonings off the griddle top. Look at that. That's what you want. A nice, soft, and pliable flour tortilla. Over to the griddle top. It's kind of cool too. It has these silicone handles, so we can put this right on the griddle top. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful color. Check that out. We can load these things up. I like to use a spoon. Sometimes the spatula is a little large if you're doing a small taco or a street taco. Load those up. Make sure we get plenty of the different colors in there. I always like to alternate. So if you didn't want jalapeno, maybe you just want to use bell pepper and onion, then you can switch it up, use a red onion, use a yellow bell pepper. It's really cool. You can make these things just pop with beautiful colors. Grab that pineapple and put a big dollop of that pineapple right on top. Oh yeah, look at that. Pineapple on the griddle. I'm telling you what, if you guys have never done it, if you folks have never done it, pineapple on the griddle top is so good. Just that beautiful blackened pineapple. A little dusting of that chopped cilantro on top. I should also add, the sauces are coming to Walmart. They're coming to Walmart very soon, so stay tuned. One more drizzle of that Mandarin Teriyaki on top. Oh man, I like to keep it spicy. If you want to, a little kiss of that Sriracha on top, and take a look at that. Banzai Pipeline Tacos. It's a blast from the past. I wrote this recipe years ago. It actually appears in the Blackstone Griddle Essentials cookbook, the one that comes in the basic toolkit that you can buy at Walmart. It's time to give it a try. That pineapple and teriyaki, I'm pumped up. Let's do it. There are so many different layers of flavor in there. The chicken, you have that sweet Mandarin teriyaki sauce, the cilantro, I put that sriracha at the end. The pineapple is just insane, and look at that, handheld, ready to go. Flour tortilla, just the perfect vessel because it soaks up the pineapple juice, almost like a pineapple chili infused tortilla. There you go, Banzai Pipeline Tacos. The mission giveaway is today only. Get over to Blackstone's Facebook, Instagram, etc. right now. And the brand new sauces are coming up at Walmart. So you want to stay tuned for those. It's a big deal. I already have this recipe up at blackstoneproducts.com. It's a recipe from many years gone by, but I wanted to bring it back to you today. So leave me a comment down below, a thumbs up, enter that contest. And until next time, this is Todd. Praise the Lord and pass the Banzai Pipeline Tacos.